This is my CoolerMaster 692 advanced mid-tower computer case here. Final look. Taking a look inside the case. We have a Thermalright TY140 intake fan. There's 2 hard drives in there. It's an 80mm intake fan blowing on the memory. Just a standard serial ATA CD drive. Two 140mm CoolerMaster fans. In back we have a Zigmatech 120mm fan with a shroud to help smooth out the airflow and reduce the noise. Looking at the Thermalright HRO2 passive heatsink with a CoolerMaster 120mm fan. The video card. I added a Intel 775 fan, help cool the south bridge, as well as the intake to the video card. It's a power supply. 2 more CoolerMaster red LED fans here. Cable management is decent. We have a few cables sticking out there, but not much I can do about that. The other cable's routed pretty good. And that is about it, guys. If you're interested in all the specifications of the hardware, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys.